Hi friends, this is Siddharth and I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing and have a first look at the Realme X pop-up generation. So let's unbox this box. So this I have ordered from Flipkart and it's 8GB 128GB polar white color. So yeah, let's open the box. Let's see what's inside this. Let's keep this box aside. So this is the invoice. I cannot show the address. So it's 20,000 rupees. So this is the box. Let's open this. So this is the box of Realme X pop-up generation. So it has been launched recently at around 15 July. So this is the Indian brand Realme X, and so this is the 8GB 128GB variant. So this is a high variant. So let's open this box. So yeah, here's the box itself, and it's sealed, so no worries. So it's polo white color. Let's remove the seal. So yeah, the seal has been broken. So it's quite hard to open this. Yeah. So it's written, "Hey, welcome to Realme family." So let's see what's inside this. So these are basically some paperworks and quick start guide, a semiconductor tool. Some paperwork, and this is a good quality TPU case. Yeah, so it's also wrapped. Let's keep this aside. So this is the photo. So let's see what's inside the box. So this is the VOOC charger, 30 amp VOOC charger, 5V 4. And here is the Type-C cable for charging. So let's keep each and everything aside. So yeah, let's look at the phone itself. So at the top you can see the pop-up position, the pop-up camera, main microphone. On the right hand side you can see the SIM ejector. So it's the hybrid solution where you can put 2 nano SIMs and no external card. So yeah, that's the power on and off button. And at the bottom you can see there's a Type-C cable with a headphone jack, 3.5mm headphone jack, and speakers. These are volume up and down toggle button. So let's see. So let's boot this phone. So it's having the 710 SoC octa-core processor with 6.353-inch full HD Amoled screen with a pop-up camera, and it's 8GB 128GB variant, so it's quite good. And it has 2 nano SIM slots. The camera performance is good. It's the real dual camera, 48 megapixel f1.8 and 5 megapixel for depth sensing. The front camera is 16 megapixel, and the battery is 3765 mAh battery with a fast book charger. And the main highlights are the in-display fingerprint. So that's all for the video, guys. As you can see, the looks, it looks so perfect and so glossy. So yeah, thanks guys for watching this video. Hope you like this video and gives a thumbs up. And if you have any queries about this video, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you.